Take a look at the term municipal golf course, its history, some of the first golf courses that were municipal, like Van Portland, Park Golf in New York City area, and we're going to talk about all the history there. Mainly, a municipal course, often known as a Muni, is a golf course that is operated by a city, town, or a local government. These courses are created to make golf accessible and affordable for the general public, while playing a major role in expanding the game outside of private golf courses. Municipal golf began in the 19th and 20th century as cities recognized the value for public recreational spaces inspired by public park movements and local governments, starting adding golf courses to their urban park systems. One of the earliest examples is in New York City, which opened in 1895. Van Cortlandt Park Golf Course, which is widely recognized as America's first public municipal golf course and has successfully proven that golf didn't and isn't limited to private golf courses. As golf expanded in the early 1900s, cities across the United States and the UK developed municipal courses serving the working and middle class players. These municipal courses were made affordable, they often taught youth programs, and they were supported by community outreach. And it helped grow in the game of golf dramatically. Overall, if you were to define a quick municipal golf course, at the top would be Bethpage Black, which is used as a U.S. Open venue by the New York State, and Torrey Pines in California, which host major PGA Tour events. These are municipal courses. That means anyone can get out there and play it. Now, municipal courses help transform the game from an executive pastime into a public sport while bringing the game to the masses and shaping the modern expansion of golf throughout the years. I'm a big fan of the municipal golf courses, and if you know this channel, we know you played a lot of municipal golf as well if you're following along. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we try to go back and target some of these historical municipal golf courses all around, and more importantly, making updates in the near future. Here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf. Municipal courses are made affordable and easy, and they became especially popular during the 1920s golf boom. And again, after World War II, with the suburban expansion of public golf throughout those facilities. That's it for this video.